everyone, I am Padmaja from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can apply Canva text effect for your Canva designs. Now open your Canva tool. Now in a search box, search for the template. Now I am just want to create a thumbnail, so I have taken the thumbnail design template. Here you can see you get an option of templates, elements, gallery, upload and text. Here you can see there are lots of fonts effect available. Now I am gonna choose a background for my template. Here you can see there are lots of color effects are also available. Now I am going to the text, and here, from this I am going to choose any one text. Here you get an option of ungroup also if you want to ungroup these two text. I am ungrouping them and deleting one amongst them. Here you can see there is a font option. In this font option you will find lots of font effects available. Here you get a font size option where you can change your font size. Here you can see a color template option for your font. There are lots of color templates available in this. You can choose any one amongst them and use to your text. Here you can also make your text bold, italic. Even you can have an effect to your text. In a effect option you'll get lots of effects, even a shape. If you want to give a shape, you can give a curve shape to your text. I'm gonna give you now a shadow effect. Here in this you can adjust the offset of the shadow in which direction you want. Now in animation tool, here you will find lots of animations available to your text. Even you will find a page animation here. Even there are adjustments for your brightness, even if you want to change your color. And now from element option I'm gonna take one of the image and gonna place it over here. In this element option you will find lots of elements like frame, grid, photos, even a small clip of videos are also available in it. Now here I am gonna make it little bit transparent with the help of transparency tool. The background effect which you are seeing in this template, I have been taken it from an element, as we have taken the one of the picture among that. The same way I have taken other also. That's all. Here you can see a video clip of it. Now I'm going to show you how you can make a logo. So I'm choosing one of the text. I'm going to the element option. In element you will find a line and a shape option. From that I'm gonna choose one of the shape. So that's it. I'm gonna make that element a little bit transparent. Even I'm gonna change its color now. Now I'm gonna adjust the text in that element. So here you can see. Now let's give an effect to our text. I'm going to take a shadow effect for it. Now I'm going to change little bit offset of my text. Even I'm going to change the direction of the offset so that it will get an 3D effect. Now here you will find a color tool where you can change the offset color. That's all. If you want more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box. If you like this video and find it useful, then please press a like button and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.